Hi, I'm GP Dipin. Today, we introduce this Jeep Wrangler, American brand, in my channel. Dipin GP Journal Moments. GP Dipin Journal Moments presents the Jeep Wrangler. I am a writer, model artist, also an automobile journalist too. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, subscribe. If you like my channel, share. Let me describe Jeep Wrangler, its specifications. This off-road King Lion comes with 2-liter engine, but the bhp is unimaginable. It's immense bhp. Driving comfort, as you know, it's an American brand. It's superb. Awesome performance. The bhp I didn't mention, it's 270 bhp at 5500 rpm. What drastic performance. Suspension and all, it's excellent. 24 valves is coming for this off-road Jeep. Torque comes around 260 lb-ft at 4800 rpm. Ex-showroom price for this model comes from 55 to 65, and on road it comes around 87 to 90 to 1 crore rupees. 3.6 L V6 engine produces 285 HP, 260 lb-ft of torque, which pushes the car from 0 to 60 in just 4 seconds. Top speed is 110 miles per hour.